Hi everyone, it's Kelly from KLK Endeavors, and I am here to show you the December bargain bead box that arrived for me. And the theme, and the theme of this month is Silent Night. And it says, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from our family to yours. This month's palette features a serene blend of blue and silver with a hint of festive sparkle. Highlights include a lapis lazuli pendant and faceted rondelles, sparkling blue goldstone, electroplated agate, English cut sesame jasper, and bright crystal accents. Silver snowflakes, findings, and a crescent focal complete the package. So, Silent Night. Beautiful blues and silvers. I think I am going to very much enjoy this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this month there are 21 different items and the retail value is $72. So that will be my trick to make enough jewelry that equals, approximately $72. And I'm not going to follow the guide of 1 through 21. I'm just going to show you and tell you as I go. First of all, I got these beautiful little bead caps. And they're really pretty. There, maybe. There we go. They're like star, flower shaped, and they're small, which is really nice. So, got a bunch of those. And then I got some pretty, just about the same shape of spacers. Pretty silver plated spacers. There, now you can see. Really pretty. Sorry, I'm doing my laundry too. Of course. Gotta get those other things done so I can play. Okay, and then I got some little itty bitty silver pins, and they have little balls on the end, which is really cute. But these are very bendable, and I worry about them. I don't usually use this kind, but we'll see what I can do this month. Okay, next I have a very big focal pendant piece. Look at that. Wow. Looks something Egyptian or something with those spirals. That will be interesting. Can't wait to use that. And then I also received 2 of these, and these are smaller, a little different. And I might try to make some earrings with these. We'll see. Wendy Whitman did a great little tutorial on a pair of earrings using some things like that. And it really turned out cool. I may try it. Because I love to try new things. And she makes really cool things too. Okay, and then I received these little snowflake charms. I'm trying to show you really good up close, but I'm guessing that's the back. Well, I don't know. Looks about the same. So, I've got a number of those. And then I also received these bigger, heavier spacer beads. I really like these. These are pretty. Look at that. And they are heavier, bigger. They're going to be really cute and something. So, yeah. That's a nice one to get. Okay, let me get the next items for you. Okay, next, I pulled this one out. This is the lapis lazuli pendant. Maybe if I move my light this way a little bit. It is very pretty. But I do want to make sure that you can see it well. There, maybe that helps a little bit. Look at that. The blues and the dark in there. Really pretty. I'll use that. Okay. And then they sent some silver chain. Pretty. Very pretty. And, oops, I dropped one. Oopsies. And they sent some more toggle clasps. Look at that. Interesting. And I think I dropped the stick. One of the sticks. There it is. I'll find it. And then they sent 4 pieces of another snowflake finding. Very pretty. I was up last night thinking there was going to be a snowstorm, and we really didn't get that much. But that's okay. Okay. And then they sent 2 of these pretty beads. See how they're cut? They're like crystal cut. Oh, need a better view though. Yeah. Look at that. So pretty. And these are called 2-piece crystal hexagon beads, slate blue iris. Very, very pretty. I like these. Okay. And then they sent these little star beads, clear. And then it has hints of blue and pink and all of that. Let's see if I can get them closer. Really pretty. There. Those are really cool. And they called those 20 pieces pressed glass star beads, crystal clear AB. Very nice. And then they sent this strand of beads, and it says blue goldstone round beads, man-made. My man can really make some pretty beads, can't they? I love blue sandstone. So very pretty. Let's see if I can't get them up closer for you. Look at the twinkle in them. Love them. Okay, let me get the last couple of items, and then you'll have seen it. Okay, I didn't have the record on. Silly me. But here are the electroplated beads. They're so pretty. Don't know how they make them, but that's because I don't have the means to make that one right now. Okay, and then I absolutely love these. Look at this, blue and silver. That is beautiful. And they're rondelles. Crystal rondelle beads, light sapphire, half silver. Oh, I'll use them up. And then they sent these little itty bitty 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 little finely faceted lapis lazuli round beads. Look at that. I love this too. And they're so little. Sounds like an anklet. Sounds like an anklet or bracelet. Okay, these are interesting. 7-inch strand, 8mm. Here's the frosted matte sesame jasper round beads, dyed. Look at that matte. Very pretty. They look like something that's come from the moon. Very, very, very pretty. Okay, down to the last few. Next one is 9 by 8 millimeter hematite, man-made, snowflake beads, slate iris. Check these out. I know, I need to hold them different. Look at that. Blue and green, they're beautiful. Can't wait to use these. Okay, and the last one is a strand of silver bicones. Woohoo! I love everything that shimmers and shines. So that's what I have to work with this month. And I'm really excited to get started. Now that I've got this video made, I can dump them all out on my beadboard and start working. So, I'll see you next time when I have my jewelry made, so you can see. I just wanted to show this once again, because they're so amazing. And just imagine all of this, these things coming together. Wow. Add in that blue silver. Looks like the big gem haul at the end of the Bugs Bunny cartoon when he finds the jackpot. Look at that. Wouldn't that be cool? So pretty. Okay, so those are what I have, and I'll be back soon to show you what I made. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.